Hello everyone. I will be showing you how to install the C compiler for Visual Studio Code. So this time we going to choose the GCC, which is part of the Ming W64 C compiler, because sometimes if you use the Microsoft C compiler, the installation is too heavy, and then sometimes the configuration is too complicated. But this one is much simpler. And yeah, let me start by explaining to you what the step is. So to install, then you have to follow this. Download and install Visual Studio Code, download and install the Ming W64, and then install C++ or C extension in Visual Studio Code. After that, continue with installing the Ming W64 pin to use the user path, the adding. Then install the runner extension and configure to run on the terminal. Then test the hello world.c. Okay, so I open the Edge browser, and after that look for the Visual Studio Code. Okay, Visual Studio Code download. Okay, so yep, you can select this one or this one. Yeah, okay. Okay, choose the Windows. Okay, after that download it. Yeah, then after that we open the installer. This is part one. Yeah, download and install the Visual Studio Code. So just follow the default installation step. Choose the default folder. If you can choose, you can. If you want to change, you can choose to other, to other location. But I just choose the default. Adding the desktop icon. Okay, so prepare the installation step. Okay, while waiting, you can also download the Ming W64. Search with the keyword install the Ming W64 Visual Studio Code. Okay, here you go. Okay, so this is the place to download. Oh, sorry, this not this. Okay, this one, yeah. M632, M62. So choose the Intel. My computer is Intel processor. Okay, yeah. So let's see, Visual Studio Code already installed, finish. Okay, so download and install the Ming W64. I will be doing that. Okay, this is Visual Studio already installed. Yep. Okay, so close this, and then after that mark as done. Yeah. Okay, so just now number one done already. Yeah. Okay, already download, and now going to install the Ming W64. Okay, so go to the browser. After that in the download. Yeah, here you go. Just double click to install. Yeah, welcome. I just choose the default location. Then continue the installation. It will take a while. Leave it running. and click to show the detail if you want to see the installation steps. Okay, so this installations, once finished, then it will open the terminal, which then you have to type this command. Yep, this one, yeah. Pacman -s Bing W64. Okay, I will prepare the command first. Yeah, this is a command. Next. Okay, run. Yeah, click finish. So open the terminal. Then you Control V. Cannot. Yeah. So just type -s capital S. Then Bing W -W64 -UCRT -x86 _64 -GCC. Okay, this is the C compiler GCC that you want to install. Okay, proceed. Yes. Okay, this will take a while, maybe a few minutes to complete. Just wait. Okay, while waiting, you can go to the Visual Studio Code and then install the C++ C extension. Yeah, so let's this running to complete. Yeah. So here you click the extension and after that the C++. Okay, this is the extension. So you click then install. Yeah, I think when the terminal is open, then it's not okay. Not the Yep. So this one is finished. The Bing W done. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now install the zip. So you can exit the terminal. You can close it. Then open again the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Not shown. Okay. So Visual Studio Code. Okay. Here you go. Okay. Why not shown? One moment. This one. Icon. Okay. So go back to the extensions. We're going to install the C++. Yep. Here you go. Extension and install. Okay, this won't be too long. Installing. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, this is done. Okay, after that, add the Ming W pin to user path. Okay, so if you click the terminal like this, yeah, and then new terminal, then you type testing with GCC, then it won't be recognized yet because we have not added. Okay, so like GCC like this, yeah. So the command is not recognized. Okay, then we need to add this to the user environment. Okay, so we go to the C drive to get the path, and then in the M64, and then use CRT64, and then bin. This is the place that you find the GCC. So you have to add this path to your user environment variable. Copy. Okay. Then after that, search for the environment. Okay, edit system environment, and then in the environment variable, you click the user path, then edit. You're going to add this path. Okay, yeah. So click OK. Okay, then after that, you close, then open again, just to make sure that the new path edit. Okay, now you're going to open a folder. Yeah, open folder. So for example, I'm going to create a folder, C drive. Yeah, the name is a temp or the code. Yeah. Select the folder. Okay. Yeah. So trust, and then after that, create the program, the hello world .c. Okay, then I write the code, simple one, hello world. Okay, printf. After that, hello world colon. Okay, save. Yeah. You need to install the runner extensions to make it easier to run the program. Yeah, code runner. Oh. Okay, so after you install, then you configure to run in the terminal through the file preferences setting. Okay, then look from the extension, then run code. Okay, then scroll down, then look for the run in the terminal. Okay, then close. Okay, so everything ready. Then Control S. Now you have this. Yeah. Run C++ file. So use the GDB launch. Okay, launch is on. Yeah. Okay, so use the GDB. Okay. Yeah, this is the thing. Then after that, run the code. Yeah, so you see the code is run. Yeah, executed correctly using the GCC compiler. We already successfully installed the compiler. Program. Okay, that's right. So to configure these options, you have other setting, but as you can see that I can just open the code and after that run code. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you see, this is running. If you click the GCC, then GCC is already recognized. Yeah. Okay. So I have shown you the step. This is done. Yeah, and then also install the runner, done, and hello world. Okay, everyone. So I have shown you how to install the C compiler in the Visual Studio Code for Windows using the GCC. This is much simpler compared to the CL or Microsoft MSVC C compiler, which come with the Microsoft Visual Studio tools. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.